This is a 650 Triumph Restomod. Steve Welty creation. You can see all the stuff that he's done to it on the customizing. They don't make them like this anymore. They never made it like this to begin with, but it's all cool stuff.